Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nancy. This time I will introduce another new song. The name of the song is the Autumn Wind. I will use this song is used F major, but change in C major. In F major is Sol. It's Sol La Do Re Mi Sol La. But in C major is Do Re Fa Sol La Do Re. This song I divided into 9 sentences. The first sentence, so here is the first sentence. I will try again from the beginning. So and 1 and 2 and the second bar is has 2 beats. From the beginning, there is upper tempo before the so. At the ninth dot is the so. So if there is upper tempo, you must your left thumb at about 10th dot at this place to press the string to the wooden, and then practice the string, and then at once go slide up to the 9th dot. Then the so will become okay. Don't stop. Don't move your left hand, and then opening string. The next note is also the so, and then goes up. The next so is also at the same before the first note. This is this note is 2 beats. Okay, and then next we will change to the 7th string. So before you have touched at the 6th string, and then we will change to slide up to the 7.6. The position of the 7.6, there is a do, and then down the 2 to 9th dot is also the la, do, and then la, and then change the string. So 2 beats. Okay, and then next spend your palm. Spend your palm, because the next note is at the 9th dot, but there is an upper tempo. So your palm must spend more, and then do watch my hand again. The so 2 beats, and then so do 2 beats. Okay, and then use your ring finger to touch to the same position, the same 10th dot, but the next string is the 5th string, the re mi so, re mi so, re and mi so, and then re. Finish. There is first sentence. Okay, and then the second sentence also at the 9th dot, 6th string. So do, and then change to the 5th string. Okay, there is a new symbol. This symbol is mi so mi way very quickly. Sometimes we'll like that. but this song is very slowly. So mi. Try again. I will try again. Mi so mi re. Mi. There is a pick up. This action. Use your left thumb to, and then before your ring finger has already to press at the position of 10th dog, and then use your thumb to click up the string. The ray will appear. So I will try again. Mi. Can you hear? Mi so mi re, and then do. Okay, finish the second sentence, and then next la so la. Okay, just 5 bars. La so la. Also use your left thumb, but the second string, 9th dog. La so la. This is the so, and then back to the la. Use your left thumb to get the la first, la, and then slide down to the 10th dog is the so, la. Back, return back to 9th dog, la so la. Quickly to change your thumb to the 3rd string to, and then to get the do, la, do re. Slide up to 7.9 is the re, do re, and then don't move. Change the string to the 2nd string, but your thumb. There is also the la, do la, so also there is a bump, the action of the bump. La, this is the bump. La, very quickly slide up to 7.6 and then return back quickly to the 9th dog. Okay, I try again. La. Okay, finish the 3rd sentence, and then the next mi re mi so la do. I will try again. There is an apportamento of the mi, and then down, slide down, and then return back. Just like the before is a la, so la, are the same. Mi, so la do, so la do. Okay, and then change next string. Mi so mi re, mi. Also the this action is the bump, and then pick up, and then do. The next bar is do. Try again, do and do. When I use my left index to outward, and then goes up your left hand, do, goes up 2 beats. Okay, and then next the 3 notes is the opening string. So the 3 note, when I pluck the first, and then my left hand, I will use my index finger to touch the 10th dog, or between 9 and 10th dog, this place or this place is okay. La so. Okay, I try again. La so. La do. When I practice la do, my left hand has already to touch la do re. Also 2 beats. Okay, and then next sentence. So fa. So this fa is a fa sharp. If the normal fa will slide down to the 10th dot, the 9th dot, the pitch is the so. So fa so. This is a fa sharp. So this is the normal fa. So fa so. So. But the fa is the fa sharp. Just to slide down to the 9.5. La do slide up to 7.6 and then change the string. So la so fa. So la so fa. This is the normal fa. Normal fa is also at the position of 10th dot, and then pick up the string is the fa. Okay, and then don't move. The next note is the opening string of 7th. Okay, I try again the 6th sentence. And then next, mi, re, mi, so, la, do. Okay, I'll try again. Mi, re, mi. Finish the 6th sentence, and then next, so, la, re, do. Also, there is a 5 notes. Also use the opening string. So la, re, do, re. This 5 note. So la, re, do. Very easy. Okay, and then the last sentence, use change the finger. Use your left middle finger. Do, do. 10th dot is a do, do, and then also change your ring finger, re, and then also change your left thumb. And then change the string. Okay, I try again. This sentence must be repeated. Then you must repeat at this sentence. I try again. Do and re, mi, so. You can at the last second bar can gradually slowly do, re, so. Okay, and then I finish this song. Hope my video can help you to play this song. Have fun. Bye. See you next time.